Hey there everyone, this is Teresa. I am here to show you an unboxing of my new Ejiubas plates that just came in, and this is the Halloween and Christmas, the new Christmas, Halloween Christmas plates. So let's just jump into it and see here. I don't know if any of you own any of these Ejiubas plates, but I love them. They are so great. The images are great. They pick it up really well. And bonus, they're double-sided, so you get actually a lot of images for the money. And oh my gosh, these are good. Oh wow. Okay, I gotta open this up so we can take it out. Take them out. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's look at the Halloween plate first. Okay, so, oh my gosh, this is a great plate. There are a lot of awesome images on this thing. Probably my favorite, Jack Skellington and Sally in a beautiful heart with spider webs. Oh my gosh, this is going to be an awesome plate to use. So you have bats, of course, and words. Look at that guy that looks like a little pumpkin, kind of. I mean, not a pumpkin. Duh, a cupcake. Sorry. A little cupcake. So yeah, witch hat, ghost, scary skeleton with the scary face in him or mouth, whatever. Creepy trees right here. I'm going to turn this off so maybe there won't be as much of a glare. Okay, so creepy trees down there at the bottom. Some pumpkins. Yeah, I can't remember what those are called. Anyway, they're whatever figures with the, yeah. Haunted house, bats, there's a cat. Maybe there's their cat. No, I see a little witch. See bats. There's lots of bats. Where's the cat? Is there a cat? There's a wolf. Oh, a wolf down here. A little cemetery. Okay. Here we go. I'm sure the words, I myself am strange and unusual. That's nice. I don't know what. Jester, skeletal jester. Big spider. Eat, drink, and be scary. I love that. I will cut you. That's cute. Okay, so it's got a mouse, scary, creepy mouth, bones, spiders, Jack Skellington again, Sally. This is a great plate. So this Halloween, this is EJB X08 plate. This is going to be a wonderful plate. What is that? Oh, the King of Clubs, his skeleton. That's cute. Okay, so that is the new Halloween plate. And then here's EJB X07 plate, and this one's all Christmas. It's got Christmassy stuff. So we got ornaments up here. You got like the pipes from the organ up in this. Mistletoe, reindeer, Santa's sleigh, lovely trees, little chapel, stocking caps, gifts. What is that? Well, that's cute. It's like a kind of a globe with dots, snow dots all over it. That one's cute. Okay, and over here we got the gingerbread men, reindeer antlers with snow falling, Happy New Year. Then, of course, all these little happy holidays and kind of just like diagonal lines that you can use. Snowfall, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Bells, Frosty. What is that? It's kind of like a poinsettia, I think. Cute. This one's cute. Candles. Very cute plate. So I will come back and we will try these out. I'll pick a few of my favorite ones that I find on here and stamp a couple of nail swatches for you guys, and show you what these plates are like. I mean, these are beautiful, amazing. I've used the Ejiubas plates. I have a few, and I've never had any problems with any of them picking up, with the images pick it up. It's usually, if I have a problem, it's the polish, or my stamper maybe not that clean, so I gotta clean it really quick. Anyway, but hope you enjoyed the video and the preview of these plates, and I will see you back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.